Hello, hi everyone. Okay, right now we're here sa NAIA Terminal 1 and we're going to Haneda. So we're riding Philippine Airlines going from Manila to Haneda. So first time ko mag-Haneda and I'm so excited. So let's go. Right now we are here na sa Haneda. So dumating na tayo. See, we're at the Haneda Airport. I'm traveling with these guys. They are from Muji and yung iba winners ng Muji contest na trip here in Japan and going to stay in the Muji Hotel. So yan, yan sila. Charan! Okay, hi guys. So right now, nakalabas na tayo ng immigration. Yay! Malaya na. Waiting for them lang because they are getting their eSIM here. Ako, I got already sa Philippines pa lang. So, I use Nomad for my eSIM. So, pag landing pa lang, I was able to connect to the internet already. We're waiting lang. Then after, we go to the train going to Ginza. And I think it's easy lang naman. Hi everyone! So, nakapag-check-in na tayo. Actually, ang dami ko nang nakuha mga videos dito at photos. Kaya na pa ako dito. Siguro ilang oras na. Baka 2 hours na ako nag-video tsaka nagpa-photo. So, this is my room here in Muji Ginza. So, I'm going to tour you. Charan! Sobrang ganda niya. It's been a dream to stay here kasi the aesthetic of Muji is actually the same as my aesthetic, yung very Japandi, very Scandi, very clean, minimal pero not too minimal. So it's very warm, cozy. That's what I like in terms of interior. So ito actually, this is what I like. Small but very functional. The layout of my room, actually marami daw, may dalawang klase ng room, pero my room is yung pahabang room. Let me tour you guys. So let's go. Okay, so dito sa area na to, closet muna. I'll show you my closet kasi I didn't bring much clothes kasi nga what I plan is to kasi sa baba na ito there is a mall. There is a Muji shop mall. There is a Muji shop sa baba and I plan to buy stuff there para suotin while I'm here. Pero I got enough clothes for me to survive muna kung hindi ako makabili. So, I hanged it. Yan, puro Muji yan. Ayan. So, I got, puro Muji din. And actually what I'm wearing, this one is Muji. So, yes, as well. So, you have a little office here. So, later, mag-work po tayo dyan. Yes po, kailangan po natin mag-work. What I like actually, even yung isa naming hotel in, what you call that? Isa naming hotel sa Kanazawa, yun. Merong lababo sa labas. I really like that one. Kasi nga, you don't have to use the bathroom pag magto-toothbrush. Kung may gumagamit, you can have your, dito, toothbrush, your skincare, dito. I like also yung ito, yung very seamless yung door. Walang door jamb na kita. Ito yung mga toiletries or mga supplies na we can use and we can take home. Except tong mirror. Meron silang listahan of what you can take home and hindi. I guess ito, kasi these are all personal stuff you can take home. Ito, hair dryer, you cannot take home, definitely. Itong lababo, hindi mo rin matitake home. You have another drawers here for coffee and tea. So you get some coffee, you get some tea. Actually, may lounge here. So after neto, I'll go down and try yung lounge nila. Diba? So, it's open till 9 and you can use, may access like everyone ata. And I think everyone may access dun sa lounge. So, it's open from 4 to 9 and there's snacks, there's food, ayan. So, ito, you get some barley drink. May book, hindi pwedeng iuwi. Ito, I think it's a gift. Ito, itong paper bag. na hindi siya paper bag, something. Made from reused rice sack. Nakalagay, oh, ayun. Tapos, may parang gift din sa loob. Parang lalagyanan ng, I don't know what you can put here. Ay, meron pa rito. Ay. Another one dito sa drawer. You get notebooks and you get a pen. So, may snack here. Ito. This we can eat. A small TV lang, which is nice also. Kasi ang lapit lang eh. You don't need it na super laki. This is the bed. It's so nice. Also, ay, mamaya pakita ko kasi like the lights and yung blinds, ay, the curtains are all powered. Parang smart ano siya sa isang tablet lang. I like this also, this detail. If you look at this, di pa ako nag-ano kaya hindi ako makasampas sa kamay kasi ano pa yung damit ko. Airport wear. Airport wear. So I like this. See? All the remote. And I have this one. Akala ko nung una, what's this? I don't know nung una. Yung pala, this is your lamp. Ayan o. I like, no? Ang ganda. So, I like this also. A little touch of like reading stuff. Reading stuff? Books. Ano ka? Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Merong iba na may tub. Yan, may tripod. May tripod. Kanina kasi nag-shoot ako. May room na may tub nakita ko, pero this one doesn't have, and I don't mind. Kasi I like it na ganito. Very simple. Kung ano yung tile ng wall and tile ng floor, which is, I like. It's textured. Actually, ito iba. Kasi mas may grip. Yung itong shower, textured, which is okay na rin to ano dito sa labas. Pero yung sa loob, textured pero may grip. Pero I like how everything is so clean. Ganun yung gusto ko talaga. In a bathroom. Kung ano yung wall, ay hindi yung floor. And it's 60 by 60, meaning less grout na madudumihan. Of course, a Japanese toilet, which is very important. Di ba? A bench here. Okay din, para dito malalagay yung mga maduduming clothes and your towels. So, enough lang siya. Tama lang siya. Oh, choosy. Choosy pa. Itong room na to is controlled by this tablet. You can remove it, actually, na. And you can bring it na. Ganun, no? Everything. You get your Wi-Fi, you get your curtain control. Ayan, if you wanna close, it will close. Ayan. And you open. You open. And you get the control of the lights and your AC. So, let's close everything. Ayan. Didilim. Charon. Then you turn on the lights. Close. Well, yung lamp hindi magko-close kasi wala ako nagbukas niyan kanina. Hindi siya considered in the system. Then lights on. That's my little tour and little something mga reaction video. So that's it for now. And yeah, I'm going to the lounge and I'll do more content here and see what I can tell you about the place. And I'll tour you around Ginza. Ano pa ba? I'll tour you around somewhere. I don't know what to do here pa. Kasi basically, it's really this trip is really exploring or experiencing Japan in a very Muji way. ano daw? 4 days tayo here in Japan, so I will definitely do a lot of things kahit mga nagawa natin before. We'll create content, we'll create guides, and learn more para may ma-recommend ako sa inyo. So that's it for now. See you later. Bye-bye!